Welcome to the channel. Are you ready to unlock the secret to building massive wealth in 2025? Whether you are looking to start a side hustle, invest in cutting edge trend, or create a digital empire, this video is packed with actionable tips and ideas to help you crush your financial goal this year. From leveraging AI and blockchain to exploring an untapped market, the opportunity are endless. And guess what? You do not need a fortune to get a start, just the right mindset and a solid game plan. So grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's dive into the top way you can make massive money in 2025. Let's do. Making money online through freelancing writing can be a great way to earn income if you have a passion for writing. Here is a detailed guide on how to get started. Build your writing skill. Practice regularly. Start by writing daily or as often as possible to improve your skill. Learn different style. Try writing article, blog post, product description, social media post, and even a stories to diversify your skill. Read widely. The more you read, the more you will improve your vocabulary and writing style. Create a portfolio. Show your work. A portfolio is a collection of your best writing sample. It helps potential clients see your writing style and quality. Start with your own blog. If you don't have writing sample, start a blog where you can showcase your writing. Guest post on other blog. Write for other website or blog to gain more sample to add to your portfolio. Third is find freelance writing job. Job board. Website like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and people per people per hour list many freelance writing opportunity. Sign up and start applying. Content mail. There are platforms where client post writing job and you can apply for them. Example include Textbroker and iWriter. Well, they often pay less. They are good for beginners. Direct outreach. Research companies or blogs that align with our interest and pitch your writing service directly to them. Social media and networking. Use LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook group for freelance to connect with potential clients. Fourth is set our rates. Research market rates. Look up the average rate for freelance writer in your niche and experience level. Start low, then increase. If you are new, you may need to start with lower rate to attract client. As you gain experience, raise your rates. Hourly versus per project. You can charge by the hour or per project. Many write freelancer writer prefer per project pricing because it is easier to manage. Fifth is write high quality content. Understand client need. Always read the job description carefully to understand what the client wants. If necessary, ask questions before you start. Meet deadlines. Being reliable and delivering on time is key to building a strong reputation. Prefer your work. Client appreciate error-free writing. Always prefer your content or use tool like Grammarly to help catch mistakes. Six is keep learning and growing. Improve your skill. Stay update on writing trends, SEO, search engine optimization, and social media writing techniques. You can take online courses or read blogs. Get feedback. After completing a job, ask for feedback from your client so you can improve. Build a reputation. Be professional. Communicate clearly and professionally with client. Respond promptly to email and message. Ask for testimonials. After successful completing a job, ask your client for testimonial or review that you can add to your portfolio. Repeat client. Once you have built a relationship with client, try to turn them into repeat client by offering excellent services. It is diversify your income stream. Write ebook or courses. If you are experienced, you can write and sell ebooks or create writing courses. Content creation. Create other form of content like video script, email, newsletters, or social media content to diversify your writing opportunities. Ninth is be consistent and patient. Freelance writing takes time to build. build. Stay consistent and with patience, you will start seeing a steady income. Tip for success: stay organized. Use tools like Trello or Asana to track your writing project and deadline. Avoid burnout. Set working hour and take breaks to avoid overwhelming yourself. Keep building your network. As you get more experience, you can start charging higher rate and working with more established clients. By following this step, you will be well on your way to make money through freelance writing. It is a great career if you are passionate about writing and enjoy flexibility in your work life. That's it for today's videos. I hope you found these tips on how to make money online helpful and easy to understand. Remember, consistency is key and with the right strategy, you can start earning from the comfort of your own home. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out on more valuable tips like this. Got any question or need help getting started? Drop them in the comment below and I will be happy to help out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Stay motivated and keep hustling.